Okay, we've created our random points. Now we need to know how many of those lie below the line. So we know the total is 200. We just need to know how many of those lie below the line. So we're going to get Excel to find out whether our y coordinates are less than the y coordinate that the rule's defined. So every time we Excel to do something, we press equals, and now I'm going to go if. So I'll double click on that, and it's going to give us our logical test. So if we want to know if our y value, so I'm going to click on my y value cell, and I'm going to click on less than. Now I'm going to type in my rule. So it's less than my x value I'm going to put in brackets here because I want a whole rule. Sorry, forgot to put in my extra set of brackets. My x value to the power of 2 plus 1. Close that second set of brackets. Now I've got my rule in. Now I want to say what I wanted to say. So I'm going to put in my parentheses. Okay, I want it to say yes if it's true, and then comma, and then no. So parenthesis no if it's false, and I'm going to close my brackets. Press enter, and now you can see that it's given me that yes, my first point does lie below the line. I'm going to put that down all the way to the end of my points that I've collected. Done. Now that we've decided whether our points lie above and below the line, we need to count how many are below the line. So we need to count how many yeses there are. So what we're going to do, same again, press equals first of all, and this time we're going to do a count, a count if. So you can see it there when I start typing it in, double click that, and it asks me for the range. So my range is my numbers, my no and yes column, so I'll highlight all the way down to the bottom of that. Oops. Sorry about the delay with this. Okay, so I've got my range. Now I need to say my criteria. So I'm going to put a comma, parentheses, and my criteria is, does it say yes? Close my brackets and enter. So therefore I've now got 76 points that below my line. So it's really easy. What's the area under the curve? It's going to equal my number of points below the line, 76, divided by my 200, multiplied by my area, which is 30. And so therefore my area under the curve is 11.4 square units. Done.